The Arlo AVD1001 Video Doorbell offers a comprehensive 180-degree view, allowing you to see from head to toe or spot packages on the ground. With high-definition video quality and high dynamic range, this video doorbell ensures clear visibility even in challenging lighting conditions. It integrates seamlessly with your existing Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for extra equipment and making it a great addition to your smart home. The weather-resistant design ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures, whether it is hot, cold, rainy, or sunny. Equipped with night vision, the Arlo AVD1001 lets you identify visitors clearly, even in complete darkness. The built-in siren can be activated manually or automatically to deter unwanted visitors, enhancing your home security system.